And Derek, can never be safe enough. The more help, the better these days.
Absolutely, Rick. And boy, we certainly had more flash flooding warnings here for tonight, particularly in Harford and Cecil County. We've had some reports there of water coming up to people's windows here in their cars across parts of Harford County now. This is the storm that caused it. You can see all the lightning strikes, the rain moving quickly off to the east into Delaware, but the rain is starting to lighten up here. But look at some of these reports here that we've received. And again, in these two areas here is where we saw those water rescues and the water totaling, up to the really up to the top of the wheel well in some of those instances there. So the rain coming down very hard in a very short period of time, causing a lot of problems. That's exactly what's happening right now. Kent Island, this was over Anne Arundel County earlier, now moving across the bay, heading east. Not quite as heavy as it was, but certainly a lot of rainfall. But fortunately, that tornado warning did not verify. We did not get a confirmed touchdown with that. It did produce some scary looking clouds for a while, but looks like tomorrow we have to look forward to some heat as temperatures right now have cooled off into the 70s. Some 80s, though, where it hasn't rained yet over on the eastern shore in southern Maryland. And it looks like overnight tonight will be in the low to mid 70s. We're keeping an eye on another band of storms coming in from the west. Down into parts of Garrett as well as Allegheny counties, and we'll see if that holds together as it makes its way eastward. Right now moving east at about 50 miles an hour. It would get into western portions of our area as early as about 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, so we'll keep an eye on that. But here's the heat advisory for tomorrow. That's why we've issued the alert day. It's going to be mainly for east of 95. Heat index values up to 105 here for tomorrow. We're also looking at a late day storm threat as well, and again, we're looking at that potential there for some storms tomorrow afternoon and evening. Not as many as we saw today or on Monday, but a few widely scattered strong to severe storms will be possible 3 to 8 p.m. as the cold front moves into that very hot air that we're expecting here for tomorrow afternoon. The front still well out to the west, caused some severe weather across parts of the Midwest here earlier this afternoon. That's going to be pushing through here for tomorrow, and there's that threat for severe weather. Level 1 of 5 risk here, and again, heavy rain is going to be the biggest threat out of this for tomorrow, and some of the storms will be producing some gusty winds. But again, that alert day really is for the high heat indices we're expecting for tomorrow afternoon, anywhere from 100 to 105 degrees. But we have some real small chance for some relief here. Very small chance. It's going to be very brief. Notice how the dew point drops off here to the mid 60s sometime Friday afternoon. So we'll stay muggy, but then for a period Friday afternoon, it's actually going to feel pretty good behind that front. But notice it goes right back up heading into the weekend, so the humidity will be making its return. Here's your Maryland cast for tomorrow. That chance for storms with the front, but notice high temperatures, low to mid 90s here across the area. So we got the alert day tomorrow mainly for the heat, but also that secondary threat for some strong to severe storms. 95 the expected high, heat index 100 to 105 degrees, and then looks like we'll see that brief drop in humidity on Friday. We'll be rain free, and then storm chances pick back up into the weekend. Right now we're targeting the middle of next week for some absolutely gorgeous weather. You'll have to wait till Tuesday for that, though. Alex.
Derek, thank you.